Governor wa kaunti ya Vihiga Moses Akaranga aumekinyie mbere ya kamiti ya seneti ya kigina kia muingi no ndanekinyie ni undu wa itumi itoekaine. No kamiti yo dinenda gukuruhania itua riake na ikinya ria magovernors kuga ni mekugomera cikaro cia senate ati tondu matiraheo gitio.
The constitution is very clear that the CEO of the county is the governor, and in his absence the deputy governor. The tradition of parliament is that when you are asking for responses on audit queries, the most responsible officer is the one who appears before the committee, and therefore the CEO.
Riu kamiti yo ikuhe Akaranga kanya kagikinyie mbere ya kamiti yo ya senate kuria nake mumembe wa kamiti yo Boni Halwale ugite no ginya governors mamenye watho niguo uramatindikiriria gwikinyia mbere ya senators. Kajyo ya governors kuhitukira muikariri giti wayo Peter Munya irugite governors ni mekugomera cikaro icio.
We are suspending the appearance of governors before the Senate until we are assured by the leadership of the Senate that any governor who appears there will be treated with respect. There will be no personalized attacks, and they will be safe.
Rumena gatagati gatongoria rukoretwo kwa ida iraya no rwakiriirie kiumia kihituku thutha wa Senator Mike Sonko kwenda kuhamurithia governor wa kaunti ya Nairobi Evans Kidero. Riu bururi wetereire wone ni mwena uriku ukugua gatagati ga senators aria merite governors mekinye mbere yao niguo maheane mutatara wa mahuthiro ma besha kana nao governors ni meguthi na mbere na mukana wao wa kuga matigwikinyia mbere ya senate ginya riria makaheo gitio kiria marauga ni maimitwo. Gitera Inooro TV kuma mbunge ya senate thiini wa mucii wa Nairobi, njitagwo Muriuki wa Mucoki.